We keep talking about per pupil spending because the fact is, sure, we've increased public school funding over the last 5 years, and no question about it. But the fact is, we've also got 61,000 more students than we had 5 years ago. So our per pupil spending is roughly the same, maybe slightly less than it was in 2008. So we're not keeping up with our growth. We're not keeping up with inflation. And that's not even mentioning textbooks. Again, another thing that got funded, $55 million this coming year for textbooks, and we're celebrating that. And 4 years ago, it was $111 million. So it's less than half of what it was before. So I think that when I look at what happened this session, the two things that we had hoped to see some movement on, which were meaningful salary increases for all of our teachers, not just our early career teachers, and also some reinvestment in giving our schools the tools they need to serve their kids, neither one of those things made it through in the way that we think it needs to be to make it a priority for North Carolina.